Short movies are just like evening snacks. They provide you better entertainment, better pleasure, and better taste at a limited amount of time. And of course, I love short movies. So I have watched many short movies, but I have forgotten their titles. I remember one of them that is about a 45-minute duration, and that movie name is The Garden of Words. But according to me, I have categorized short movies in two parts. First is the short movies. The short movies conclude the movies that are about 45 minutes in time duration, and a short movies are the movies that are below 30 minutes, like about 7 to 8 minutes or about 6 minutes, or they can be 15 minutes, they can be 25 minutes also, but they are considered a short movies, and doesn't matter if they are in episodes, they should be below 30 minutes, then I consider them a short movie. So it's been a very long time that I haven't watched many short movies. Like मैंने बहुत टाइम से शॉर्ट मूवीज देखा ही नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं एनिमे सीरीज देखने में बिजी था. मैंने इवन एनिमे मूवीज तक देखा नहीं है, तो शॉर्ट मूवी तो देखने दूर की बात है. बट मेरा एक दिन सर फिरका. I just thought let's scroll down in this anime site and watch whatever is there. So I just go to movie section and I click that option, and I was just scrolling down and I see a common word there, or I can say a common title that everyone is familiar with. But I thought, what? How can someone made a movie with this title? And I was very excited, so I just click on that, and I see that's the psychological and little bit horror in that. So I think it might be interesting to test it. मैंने सोचा भाई क्यों नहीं टेस्ट कर ले भाई. And then I click on that video, and it was about like 7 minutes. So I was like, it's okay, I can give 7 minutes of my time to this movie. That's only 7 minutes. It's not like 1 hour 40 minutes. I can give it a time. तो भाई मैं पूरा एक्साइटेड हो गया कि भाई कैसा मूवी होगा यार, 7 मिनट में कोई मूवी बना सकता है क्या. मैं तो भाई पूरा चौंक गया था. मेरा मतलब दिमाग फिरक गया. मतलब भाई क्या यार, 7 मिनट का मूवी बना रहा है. एंड व्हेन आई वॉच दैट मूवी आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई वॉच समथिंग अमेजिंग. भाई मैं इतना खुश था कि मैं बता नहीं सकता यार कि मैंने एक इतना अमेजिंग चीज 7 मिनट में देखा. मतलब इतना अच्छा डिटेलेशन है, क्योंकि भाई तुम्हें छोटा जब तुमने कोई चीज बनाया तो तुम्हें उसमें ज्यादा डिटेलेशन करना ही पड़ेगा, बिकॉज व्हेन द टाइम ड्यूरेशन इज 7 minutes they have to put more effort and more detailation in that video. So here I call it Monkleo present you home.
So this 7-minute anime made by Studio Orange. So I search about Studio Orange all over the internet, and I get to know that this is a famous studio which has made Beastars, and Studio Orange is great in making CGI anime. I can tell you that in anime community, people does not like CGI animes, but there is an exception, and that is Studio Orange. Studio Orange manages well to making CGI anime, and it's just blast the anime community by giving a best CGI anime. So I can tell you this, that this anime is worth it. Like, it is worth it for 7 minutes of your life. So you should try it. You watch that Pirno thing all over time and do that Pirno thing. Why are you doing that Pirno thing? No need. Just watch the 7-minute thing and see what happens. It's good at least for one time watchable. So you should try it. देखो भाई, मैं तुम लोग को इतना बताना चाहूंगा कि तुम इसको एक बार ट्राई जरूर करो. जब तुम उसको एक बार ट्राई करोगे तो तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि एनिमे कितना अच्छा चीज है. तो जब तुमने कोई बड़ा एनिमे सीरीज देखा ही है और तुम्हें एनिमे कम्युनिटी में या एनिमे को देखना ही है, क्योंकि तुम लोग सोचते हो कि ये कार्टून है, तो तुम इस छोटे एनिमे को देख सकते हो और तुम फिर पता लगा सकते हो कि भाई एनिमे कार्टून है या एनिमे बस एक एंटरटेनमेंट मीडियम है.
Let me explain this anime. In this anime there is a Mars explorer whose name is Christopher, but you will not find his name in the anime. I go and research about it in my anime list, and there it was written his name Christopher. So he was exploring Mars, and at a sudden he found a broken spaceship. So due to his curiosity, he goes inside the spaceship and found something terrible. So there was plenty of dead bodies with plenty of skeleton. But at the end, what he found was very terrible for him to see. That was a ghost of a girl whose organ have been ripped off. Like his ghost even doesn't have some organs, like in his belly part and everywhere, and he just get feared. When he started running, and the ghost start playing prank on him. And I was thinking, what the fuck is this, man? Why ghost is playing prank? But I understand that ghost mentality or little girl mentality. Like, she was alone for many years, and when she saw a human, she was like, let's play with that human. And at the end, Christopher
goes out from the spaceship, and that girl tried to stop him, like saying him that, please, please, take me to my home. My home is Earth. But then Christopher run away, but I don't know what Christopher think. He might think of something, and he just came back again and took every skeleton with him with a spaceship and took them to their home. Our home, Earth. So do you understand from this, like, Earth is very important. We have to keep our Earth safe. Like, we should not do many pollutions. We should keep our surrounding clean, and we should cherish our Earth. We should respect our Earth, and we should save him. Like, deforestation is a very common problem in this era, in this world, where people are cutting forest for making city, but they don't understand if you keep forest, our Earth will last long, human will able to last long, and that will be a very great thing. So from this series, what we learned that our home is everything. Even that ghost was crying to go to her home. Her home is our home, our Earth, and we should protect our Earth from deforestation, from pollution, and every sort of kind of bad things. If we can save our Earth, we will live many years longer, because this is our Mother Earth. We can say that this is an open-ending anime, because in the end we does not get to see did they really reach to Earth, because we only saw that they are in the spaceship. So it's your mind, whatever you want to think. They reached, they didn't reach. But for me, I will think they reached to the Earth, and that ghost girl is happy to come to her home, and that man is happy that they bring people to their home, which is his home also. तो यार ऐसा ही है कि ना, अब ये एक अच्छा स्टोरी है, हमें इससे कुछ सीखने के लिए मिलता है कि हमें अपने घर का बहुत वैल्यू करना चाहिए। चाहे हमारा अर्थ हो, चाहे हमारा खुद का घर हो, हमें इसको साफ सुथरा रखना चाहिए। हमें अपने घर को साफ करना चाहिए और उसमें गंदगी नहीं फैलानी चाहिए। उस तरह हमें अपने अर्थ को भी साफ रखना चाहिए। तो कोई गंदगी नहीं, कोई पोल्यूशन नहीं, कोई डिफोरेस्टेशन नहीं, हमें इस तरह अपने अर्थ को सेव करना है। तो एट द एंड आपको ये बोलना चाहूंगा अपने इंडियन ऑडियंस को और पूरी दुनिया को कि आपको ये 7 मिनट का एनिमे देखना चाहिए। इस एनिमे को 7 मिनट का टाइम देना चाहिए। So you all should watch this anime. Please take my recommendation. It's a very 7-minute anime, and that thing that I interpreted about home thing was my own. It might be different for different person, different for that person. For me, that was like, you should respect your home, you should save your home, you should clean your home. You should not do deforestation, you should not do pollution, anything like that. So this is for today. I will be back with another new video after some time. So we will meet in our next video. Till then, peace.